Good morning, all of you. I'm Ashok Kumar Misra. Last class, I have discussed about the number system details. How many types of the number system and what are the limitation and what are the rules for the conversion. And now I'm discussing about the question answer regarding question answer. So here section A, for section A, these are the answers for A section 1 is the answer is the 2, and second decimal number, and third is the 8, and fourth is the 10, and fifth is the binary. And question number 6 for the decimal, and 7 for the 0. And the statement for true and false, first is these are the question answers. One statement true and false. First is false, second true, third false, fourth true, and fifth false, sixth false. And MCQ, first is alphabet, second is the digital computer, third is the binary, and fourth is the 1, and fifth is the 2. And last and question answer is details. What is the number system and what are the different types of the number system? Answer is a system for representing, that is the expressing or writing a number of certain types is called number system. There are different types of number system: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Second question, what are the rules to convert a decimal number system to binary number system? And what are the rules? First, divide the given numbers, given decimal numbers with the base 2, and second, write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. फिर 2 से भाग देना है. And third, repeat a step. इस प्रक्रिया को चालू रखिए तब तक till the quotient is 0. क्वेश्चन जब तक इसका 0 नहीं हो जाता है. Third question, what are the rules to multiply the two binary numbers? 2 binary number का multiply कैसे होगा? इसका rules है, 2 binary numbers क्या है? If a 0 is multiplied by the 0, result is equal to 0. If 0 is multiplied by 1, result is equal to 1. And 1 is multiplied by 0, then 0. And 1 is multiplied by 1 is 1. And fourth question, he briefly explain the octal number system. Octal number systems consist of 8 digits and 0 to 7 with the base is 8. And the concept of the octal number systems come from the native America, as they used to count numbers by the using the space between their fingers and rather than using their finger. So show the procedure of the octal to decimals and conversion is similar to the binary to the decimal, and only difference is change of base. दोनों के सिर्फ बेस का फर्क होता है. तो अगर हमारे सामने क्वेश्चन है कि 345 अगर ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम है तो इसको डेसिमल नंबर में ले जाएंगे तो इसको 3 into 8 to the power 2, because it is the second digit, and last and 4 is multiplied by 8 to the power 1, and 5 is multiplied 8 to the power 0, and so on. And last question is, what do you understand by the hexadecimal system? The 16 digits होते हैं इसमें 0 to 9, जो hex इसमें ये 10 हुआ, and A to F ये 6 हुआ. तो टोटल अगर जोड़ेंगे तो ये 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. तो इसलिए इसका नाम पड़ा हेक्साडेसिमल सिस्टम. एंड टू कन्वर्ट द हेक्साडेसिमल सिस्टम इन द डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम, मल्टीप्लाई बाय द नंबर विद द बेस 16. एंड B अगर 16 हेक्साडेसिमल में है तो इसको B into 16 to the power 1 and 11 into 16 to the power 0, and result is equal to 59 to the power 59 base 10. Okay, bye.